Friends, today I'm going to talk about life. What is life? Life is like same like a iron inside the burning hot circle. You know, if you want to transfer you from an iron to a sharp knife, you should have that kind of mentality and you should have that kind of power to resist that kind of heat to transform you from the simple iron to a sharp knife. दोस्तों, जो हम लोग चाकू बनाता है तो कैसे बनाता है? एक सिंपल आयरन को सार्कोल के अंदर डालेगा, उसको गर्म करेगा, तो उसके बाद हथौड़ी से उसको मारेगा, बहुत मारेगा। अगर आपके पास वो ताकत है उसको सहन करने का, देन यू विल बिकम ए नाइफ। और आपके पास अगर नहीं है वो ताकत सहन करने का, देन यू आर डन, यू आर नथिंग। उस दिन मैं एक सुन रहा था एक आदमी को, वो बोल रहा था, ही वाज सेइंग, एक आदमी गया था पहाड़ में, तो ही जस्ट पिक अप 2 स्टोन फ्रॉम द माउंटेन एंड द स्कल्पटर, द आर्टिस्ट, he try to make something। जब उसने जो हथौड़ी लेकर और चैनी लेकर मारा उसको, एक स्टोन को, तो उसने चिल्लाया, नो नो आई कैनॉट। तो उसने छोड़ दिया उसको। तो दूसरा स्टोन को लिया, तो जो कलाकार था उसने बहुत उसको हथौड़ी मारा 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 मारा। उसके बाद उसने वो मूर्ति बनाया एक, और मूर्ति को बाद में क्या हुआ, तो सब लोग पूजा करने लगा। इफ यू बिलीव इन हिंदू रिलीजन और हिंदू कल्चर, या वी वर्शिप लाइक। तो इसमें जो बात का मेन बात क्या है, और अगर आपके पास अगर वो ताकत नहीं है सहन करने का, तो आपको कोई पूजेगा नहीं। If you don't have that kind of courage or that kind of power to to handle that kind of pressure in your life, you are not going to become a big man, or you are not going to get success in your life. To get success in your life, you have to know how to handle the pressure, how to handle the the kind of things in your life. If you are that kind of person who always cry in your life, no, I don't have this, I don't have that. If you are that kind of person who always say no, 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 and always complain, you will never grow. If you want to grow in your life, you have to accept the challenges in your life, then move on. Definitely you will grow. Don't think that I'm talking to you today, I'm a big guy, but I'm a small guy, but from my experience I'm telling you, in your life, in your journey, there are thousand, million, billion of people who always try to let you down, but there's a few guys who will always try to pull you off. So listen to them, not listen to those thousands people, and believe on you. That's the greatest thing in your life. You have to listen. You have to listen yourself, not others. They are not gonna to decide you who you are, for what is your purpose, what is your goal. They don't know about you. They are like people, same like the people in your marriage. If you call them, they'll always complain about your party. this is not good, that is not good. But if you want to grow, you have to leave them and keep moving. There are thousand people, there are million, billion of people. Out of 100, 99.99% will always complain about you. But if you want to grow, you have to, you must leave them and keep going alone. It doesn't matter. And it is said, well said, जो जो आदमी फिर में चल रहा है वो सही रास्ते में जा रहा है कि वो सही बात नहीं है. Might be that you are going alone, but might be you are going the right path. तेजी से भागने से कुछ नहीं होता है जिंदगी में. आपको सही रास्ता और सही आदमी के साथ चलना पड़ेगा. There are millions, billions of reasons to distract you, but if you are a man, you should always listen to you. These people never count. You should not count them. They are like people. If you are giving them something, they are getting something from you, they will always appreciate you. But moment you're going down, they will never hold your hands and say, okay, come, I'll help you. So whatever I'm saying, I'm saying from my heart. I'm not saying anything like dramatic. So you have to listen to you. Okay? No one will try for you. No one will talk for you. No one will help you. Because in this life, in this kind of environment, everyone is busy for his own. So who the hell you are? You are he will talk about me, good thing. He will appreciate me. No one is going to appreciate for you. You have to fight for that to rise. There are people who will slap you, who will knock you down. That's okay. You have to accept. It's okay. But you should have that kind of courage to fight for it, fight for you. Okay? So this is Gautam. I'm not a big guy, but I have so many things in my heart. From that I'm telling you, never give up. Keep fighting. Unless and until you accept that you lose, no one can beat you. जब तक आप एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेंगे जब मैं हार गया हूँ, आपको कोई हरा नहीं सकता है. Okay? And all the guys who become the big guys, big motivation, everything, they all are same like you and me. Now they are, because they had that kind of courage to fight against all these kind of small things. You should have courage. You should have courage for failure, not always for success. Success will, when success you'll get success, people will listen to you. But do you have that kind of courage to fall, to fail? If you have that kind of courage to fail, everyone after a few weeks, few months, they will follow you. So never run for success. You should have that kind of courage to fail. If you have courage to fail, you will get success, and one day everyone will follow you. Just mark my word. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you guys.